Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure you have the latest version of CloudStream installed on your device. Head to your App Store or the official CloudStream website to download it if you haven't already. The app works on most Android devices and some streaming platforms. Step 2. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for an icon that resembles a gear or 3 horizontal lines, usually found in the corner of your screen. This is where you'll find all the customization options. Step 3. Inside Settings, search for a section labeled Extensions or Providers. This area is specifically designed for managing third-party content sources. Tap on it to view available extension options. Step 4. Now you'll see a list of available extensions you can install. Browse through them and select the ones you want. Most extensions are organized by category like movies, TV shows, or live streaming. Just tap the plus icon or install button next to each extension. Step 5. After installation, verify your extensions are working properly by navigating back to the home screen and searching for content. If extensions loaded correctly, you should see new provider options when you search for shows or movies. Restart the app if something isn't showing up right away.